Natalie Lynch is a credentialed investigator and licensed attorney, not a vlogger.
What do you do if you can't find a secure place to interview people? You probably shouldn't interview them. There could be situations where your interview is an administrative interview, you're trying to learn a process, something like that. But if people know that you're the interviewer and they can see and hear what you're doing, you probably should not move forward. And so that can be hard. But if you're in an environment where there just isn't a secure place to be had, you need to go off site. So a lot of our investigative interviews have happened at hotels. I've done some at libraries. That can be tricky because libraries typically by protocol have clear glass windows, and they tend to be situated in the community that your investigation is happening in. So that's not always a great idea, but you may have a colleague, a neighboring law firm that does, personal injury law or something, isn't in your world, that you can use their conference room. And so, those are things that you can do to bring interviews offsite. Obviously, you want to reduce the logistics involved. So a hotel, not in direct line sight, but logistically somewhere near the client site is probably best. But at the end of the day, particularly if you're at the sensitive parts of an investigation, your reporting party, your accused, people who are witnesses but might have pressure to not disclose, things like that. If you can't have a secure interview, just don't do the interview then. Maybe you do it online at their house. Maybe you do it at a hotel after hours so nobody knows they're missing work. But again, to maintain the integrity of the investigation and not encourage gossip, need to ensure that you have a secure location for your interviews.
Mom, you have to tell people to like and subscribe.